Alright, so here is where the problem starts, and the common mistake that every single person make, or some people usually do. So they start with this guy right here. Okay, so 4 squared is 16. Then they say minus 2, of course, 5 minus 1, and then there is invincible multiplication sign here. 5 minus 1, that is 4. And then because they've been taught to walk from left to right, and then they say 16 minus 2, and that gives us, okay, I want to change my pen right now. Okay, and that gives us what? 14, okay, times 4. And then excuse me, 14 times 4, and that gives us 56. But this is very wrong because we did not follow, or they did not follow, the order of operation. So let us solve this question correctly use following the order of operation. So I'm going to rewrite the question again. Let me get my pen. All right, so that's 4 squared minus 2 bracket 5 minus 1. So what is the first step to follow? So according to PEMDAS, okay, let me get another pen here. Yeah, excuse me, PEMDAS. All right. So according to PEMDAS, so the first step would be to work with everything in parentheses first. So we begin with the parentheses, and of course, that gives us 4 squared minus 2. There is a multiplication sign here, so we put a multiplication 5 minus 1, and that gives us 4. So what is the next step? Excuse me. The next step would be to work, multiplication comes before subtraction. So we have to first of all multiply, and that gives us, oh, sorry, I forgot something. There is an exponent here, okay? So we have to work on that first. So 14 squared, and that gives us 16, okay? And then minus 2 times 4, and that gives us 8. And 16 minus 4, and the final answer is 8. Sorry, 16 minus 8, and that gives us 8. So this is the correct answer. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's the last mistake you guys usually do. Bye. See you.